Good morning everyone, how you guys doing today? Alright guys, I'm harvesting some sweet pepper today. So I'm gonna harvest some of them ripe and I'm gonna harvest some of them green. The reason why I'm not allowing everything to ripe because we in the October now, and if you in October you want to make sure that you're able to get as much harvest you can from your plants. Now is not the time for you to allow the peppers to properly ripe. Once they reach a mature stage, you could pick them because you want to make sure that the young peppers have a chance to come in and able to produce, reach maturity, that you can get the harvest. So all these pepper, you can get them out because you're in October. No need to try to allow them to ripe, and then all the small one remains, and then the frost come and hit them, and the frost come and hit them, and you lose all your peppers. So it's best for you to get the bigger ones and allow them to get to maturity and harvest them than to keep them. And because you got to remember, when you allowing the big ones to suck the plant, the small one is struggling. So now if you get the big ones off the tree, you stand a better chance. You see, no need to leave this to finish ripe. This thing reach maturity, so even you want to save the seed, this is good enough. So why I'm getting rid of taking these off, because we have small pepper here, we have small pepper here. So we wanted to focus on the smaller pepper and not the big ones, because we in October and the frost will be next month. So now you want to make sure that you get the amount of pepper. So now you come and you pick these. Don't load, you ain't got to wait for them to ripe. You want to make sure that you save, you get these, that you could save the smaller babies, so you stand a chance of getting another harvest. You see, like these is small, I'm gonna leave these for a few more days, but usually I pick them and just allow the small baby peppers to come in, which make a lot of sense. This is maturity. All this is doing is getting ready to change its color. So I don't want to keep this, right? If I keep this, look what I'm doing. I have smaller pepper that I'm messing up. So the best thing to do is to get them now and let the smaller plant to get their chance to reach that perfection of ripeness. It's really hard to do it on one hand, but I'm doing my thing. So you pick all these pepper. Don't try to leave them because you have baby pepper. You still have blossom coming in. So you want to give them the chance to reach maturity. So trying to keep these on the plant, I'm not sure if it's a good idea. So as you see guys, now harvest a beautiful pepper harvest. And all this is sweet pepper, no hot pepper. All right. Okay, and get this one as well. Okay. Now we can harvest some herbs now. This is basically, this is herb. This is celery right here. What I'm going to use this celery for, I'm going to make green seasoning. I'm going to get all the celery, the basil, and all these things, and just make a blend with all different type of herbs. And that become a seasoning. If you cooking, you could put it and it can become flavor for your pot. Okay? Man, these herbs produce so much this year and they're still producing. But this is what I'm saying, guys. How important it is for you to have your garden. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and share.